Hey, Cody, you want to take Ray for a walk? Go on. Go take Ray out. Out you go. Okay. Ray's going to walk Cody. I mean, other way around. Go on. Take your dog out. Go on.
Where are you guys going? Where are you taking him? You having fun? You're a good dog owner, Cody.
Okay, we all done our walk?
Where you guys want to go now? You want a treat? Come on, Cody, tell Ray he's got to come in for a treat. Cody, time for a treat.